For 1 point, what color is a polar bear's skin under its fur? Black. For 1 point, what's the largest species of big cat in the world? Tiger. For 2 points, what's the only mammal capable of true flight? Bat. For 2 points, which bird has the largest wingspan on Earth? Wandering albatross. For 3 points, what type of animal is a fossa, native to Madagascar? Mongoose relative. For 3 points, which large carnivorous lizard is known for reproducing via parthenogenesis? Komodo dragon. For 4 points, what's the only known venomous primate? Slow loris. For 4 points, which animal's heart is located in its head? Shrimp.